this thing looks like it could come apart pretty quickly. What else am I looking at? I'm looking at this stock GPN. It's starting to break down. That's the thing. It's like you see so many plays, and you can only kind of spread yourself so thin. But again, just want to kind of give you. So this looks like a very funky looking Head and Shoulders top. I've been looking at this for a while, and then yesterday it broke down. So I always hate to see something go when I see. So this is kind of a Head and Shoulders with a sloping neckline. And whenever the neckline is sloping, it implies that the move is going to be even more violent than what it implies. So this is a very bearish pattern. And by virtue of the sloping neckline, if we kind of come through here, this thing looks like it could come apart pretty quickly. So yesterday you had, key reversal here. And so to me, what I would try and do is, try and get this elastic band effect where hopefully it kind of opens higher, kind of opens up here. So if I can short it there, then my risk really would be to the high of yesterday. So, there's one thing I could put a sell stop, and that's always the safe way, because if I put a limit or try and, if I just put a limit order, let's say I put a limit here and it doesn't get there, it goes here and then it comes down, then I won't be in this trade. So, you have some choices. If it opens higher, you can just sell at the market, put your risk there. So what it does is, with these higher openings, is that it kind of decreases your risk. Because if my risk is here, and instead of getting in here, I can get in there. You can see my risk is smaller than it would be there, if that makes sense.
So are you placing a sell stop below that, or are you just going to wait for the open?
I'm going to wait, because this is not really, you can see there's certain issues that have a lot of activity in the pre-opening and certain don't. So you can see this is a very wide spread. It's, closing 189.63 and it's trading 188.26 by 196. So you can see that you don't want to play that spread, right? It's like playing a, pound New Zealand right after the broker reopens, where you got a 15 pip or 20 pip spread in the pound New Zealand. You don't want to trade that.